Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammed Khan, a full stack engineer. In today's topic, we're going to be speaking about something very crucial for someone who's trying to get a job in the tech industry or the software industry. So today's topic is going to be which framework should you learn to get a job ASAP? In today's fast-paced tech world, the right framework can be your golden ticket to landing a job quickly, like getting a huge job. But with so many options out there like React, Angular, Vue.js, Django, Flask, and many more, it can be very overwhelming for someone new to decide which one to invest in your time, because each one is a new thing in itself and it's very hard to master each and every framework. So don't worry, I've got you covered in this video. We'll explore the most in-demand frameworks. In this video, I will show you many tips and tricks how to navigate yourself when you're starting your career in tech, and I will show you a trick where how you can make use of certain tools, and how you can decide which particular framework to choose and learn that framework so that you can invest all your time, all your resources on it, and then master it so that you can get a job as soon as possible. So let's get started. So watch the video till the end. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, and if you're already watching and if you haven't really subscribed, then please subscribe, dude. What are you doing? Let's get started. So before actually choosing a framework, you need to know what frameworks are used in the year when you're watching this video. That'd be, if you're watching this video in 2030, you can make use of this website, or you can maybe make use of Stack Overflow that shows a survey which frameworks are used by the developers. So all of that, you can do that. So if you see over here, I'm on this website called statista.com that shows the worldwide developers survey of most used framework in the year 2023. All right, so if you can see, the top three are Node.js, React, jQuery, Express. All right, so assume that I'm a new developer, and okay, I see that, okay, I've heard about React, everyone's speaking about React. Okay, I see that, okay, React is something that I want to choose. So here you need to go to linkedin.com, or you can use any other job website that is famous in your own country. Okay, in India, LinkedIn is quite famous, so I'm gonna make use of this. Assume that you just need, okay, if I'm staying in Hyderabad, so I'm just gonna write Hyderabad, India, and the next thing that I'm gonna write is React.js. All right, and when I write React.js, I'm gonna set as 40 kilometers. Within 40 kilometers, how many jobs are available for this particular framework. I'm just gonna do a quick search, and if you see, it's 3,331 jobs available for React.js as a React developer. Although it will be if you see this like full stack developer over here, inside that they will ask about React.js. But all in all, I know for a fact that React is actually used and people are actually asking it. Okay, let's pick up something not very famous. Okay, let's pick up Remix.js. Okay, let me write Remix.js. Okay, no matching jobs found. I'm probably gonna use something else to show you. Okay, let's say that if you want to be a game developer, I'm gonna write Unity developer. Okay, Unity developer has like 232 jobs over here. I think this is a wrong this is like a promoted job, but if you see game developer, so, and most of them are irrelevant if you ask me. But all in all, if you see, the total jobs are 232, which is Unity is a gaming framework. So the thing that I want to explain you is that you need to choose the framework based on the jobs that are available in your own country or in your own region near you. Okay, now I know that in countries like Saudi Arabia, .NET is used a lot, so it's a good thing to learn over there. You can easily get a job. So now Okay, now assume that you know which particular this thing to know, which particular which framework to learn, and what is the most famous framework in your region. Now comes the step for the roadmap for it. Okay, now I can um, sell you a few courses and tell you to buy my course or whatever, but I'm not gonna do that, not yet. I'm just kidding. So here you can go to this website. It's a very, very nice website. Let me show you. It's a website called roadmap.sh. Okay, assume that you want to learn about React. Okay, I'm gonna click on React and it will show me the whole roadmap for React. It will show me what I need to know, what I need to learn. For testing, I need to learn Cypress and Playwright. There's something called React Native for making mobile applications. I need to know about forms, React Hook forms, and for REST API calls, I need to make use of React Query, Axios, RTK Query, state management part. There is recoil, redux toolkit, and all of that, context API and everything. So all in all, this website roadmap.sh will help you get up and running for let's say for backend performance. This is what you need to it just gives you all the information about a particular framework or a particular job. So I think it's a very short video, but I know thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you actually like the video, please click the like button. If you did not like the video, click the unlike button, and please also subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.